everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. And today I'm answering the question: is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yeah, it is. But the specific conditions depends on your situation and the country you're applying to. We're going to be looking at some Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, and United Arab Emirates. Let's start with those. If you're applying in Japan, it's quite simple. You see, if you are sponsoring a spouse for a visa, they typically need to apply for a spouse of a Japanese national visa. That's what it's called, which allows them to live and work in Japan. So it's not separate. A spousal sponsorship and an open work permit isn't separate. Once you apply for a spouse of a Japanese national visa and it is granted to you, they can live and work in Japan. It's as simple as that. Now, for South Korea, if you are a Korean citizen, you can sponsor your spouse for the F6 visa, also called spouse of a Korean national, and this visa allows them to live and work in South Korea. For the United Arab Emirates, in some cases, a foreign worker or a resident can sponsor their spouse for a residency visa, which may include work rights. However, this depends on the employer's policies and the sponsorship status. Now, what are the key points? Let's go for this. No matter the country, spousal sponsorship typically involves providing proof of relationship, income requirements, and legal documentations. And as for work permits for spouses, many countries allow spouses to work once the visa or sponsorship is granted, but this can depend on the specific visa conditions.